Hey, you guys, I am back with another video, and today we are talking all about my in-depth, step-by-step, how to wash your body and how to keep you smelling fresh all day, all day. So if that is something that may intrigue your mind or something that may interest you, make sure you stick around, grab your pen and notebook, pause this as many times as you like, because we're gonna go all in, and you guys will get a chance to meet my grandbaby doll as well. We're gonna get started, and we're gonna meet my grandbaby doll. Say hi, Lizzie. Say hello. So listen, I wanted to demonstrate, you guys, because I know a lot of you guys always say you're like me, you're hands-on, you visual, and you like to see things. So I said, what a good idea to bring my grandbaby doll. So this is my baby girl's baby, but she ain't played with her in years. So little known fact about me, yes, I'm 40-something years old and I still love to play with baby dolls. But anyway, I'll tell you guys about that story later on. But anyway, for the sake of this video, say this is your body. So go with me in your mind. I know she's so cute. I know she's super cute, you guys. But you first want to start with your hair. And her hair is freshly washed, so you can use whatever shampoo. And I didn't even bring any shampoo up here. But whatever shampoo you are, especially for my natural girls, you know, we go through some products. But you want to get your hair clean because your hair is also a part of your hygiene, you guys. So first, if it's your wash day or shower, you know, hair wash day, whatever, do your hair. But if you've already did your wash day with your hair or what have you, like I have, then the next step is you're going to start with your face. And I've been using this, and as y'all can tell, your girl is out. Good thing I'm going shopping this weekend, but I've been squeezing and pinching, you guys. But this is what I've been using, the Keys cleanser. Y'all know I talked about this like a couple of months ago, so I'm finally out. A review will be coming on this, but take this. We just gonna, for the sake of this video, take a little bit. We're gonna pretend, since she is a baby doll, and you just gonna wash your face really good. And what I like to do is always go behind your ears, because your ears, honey, they have some germs behind there. So wash behind your ears, inside of your ears. And then, yeah, I got a dry towel. I always dry my face with white towels. Most of the time I clean my face with white towels. And you're just gonna wipe her face, pat it dry. You don't wanna be too harsh with your face because your face is very sensitive. You're gonna pat dry. And then once you're done with your face, the next step is you're going to get in the shower. And that's when you remove your clothes. Yeah, baby, I know. They're not going to really laugh. They're not going to laugh at you because you're a baby. So you're just going to remove your clothes and you're going to get in the shower. And because part of her body is soft, I'm not going to put the water all over her. But the first thing I like to do is I take bar soap, good old plain bar soap, and I lather it. You're going to lather it real good, you guys. All right, you guys, so you can see this is really lathered. And what you're going to do is start washing. Oh, this is about to get messy. You're going to start washing your back, washing your body. You're going to hold up your arms, wash up under your arms. You're going to wash your boobies. She's a baby, so she don't have none. You're going to wash up under all your arms. And then what I like to do is get up under that neck. And what I like to use to make sure my body is exfoliated, I got this exfoliating cloth, because y'all know my story. I can't really put a lot of gloves on these days. So I take my washcloth and I scrub her arms. Get closer, y'all can see. Scrub good, scrub your necks. I like this washcloth because it gets you clean, exfoliation wise. And you just scrub. And what I also like to do is I take my brush and we're going to exfoliate her little back. You're going to go up under the arms, because remember, if you don't get that deodorant stuff out from under your arms, that could be a reason why you are still musty. I'm trying not to get her super wet. But yeah, just take this and go all up under her arms. And you're gonna wash your whole entire body. And now I'm just gonna lift her little dress up. I'll get to the butterfly a little later, but right now, we're gonna wash your legs. Yep, you wanna get in there. You wanna get up on the bottom of your feet, in between your toes. You wanna get in there and just wash, wash, wash. And I do this, you guys, about 2 to 3 times with the bar soap. Because y'all know bar soap is gonna get you right. If you don't have anything else in your house and you got Dove, you ain't gonna be musty. So I'm just washing, scrubbing. Scrub real good. Yep, you gotta get in there, honey, and scrub, scrub, scrub. All right, and then you wanna keep on washing your body. Wash it real good. See, she even shining. And then you gonna wash your neck. And all of that. And once you're through with that, when you wash your body twice, now it's time for you to wash your butterfly and your backside. And so for my butterfly, I'm going to take her little panties off. Yeah, they're not going to laugh. They're not going to laugh at the baby. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this bar soap. Make sure y'all can see that. This bar soap, I'm going to take this bar soap, and that is what I'm going to use, the white towel, and you're going to open your legs up, and you're going to wash in between your lips. Just visualize, she a baby, hers ain't fully developed, but listen, you're going to open it up, and you're going to wash in between the lips. When I say wash in between the lips, this is like your vagina, and in between you have lips, so you got to open it up and wash in there. Because if you don't, that's where the germs and the stink be. You got to get in there with that soap and wash it really, really good. Wash all behind it. Now, I'm not saying you stick soap up inside the hole. I'm talking about the lips on the outside. That's what I'm talking about. And inside the lips, not the whole area. And you want to keep washing really good. You do that about 2 to 3 times. Girl, you ain't sitting up here peeing on yourself, is you? But you want to do that 2 to 3 times until you feel it's clean. And always, ladies, hear me when I say, please do the smell test. It's your body. We are all ladies here. No reason for you to be ashamed, embarrassed. Listen, some of us had, mothers or mother figures or aunts to really show us in depth. But some of us didn't, and we're not here to judge anybody. We're going to grow here and learn together. We're going to smell good together. How about that? And so when you do that and you smell yourself and see if it smells good. If it smells like soap and just a regular scent, you're good to go. But if you smelling something fishy and you ain't clean, you got to go back in there. Now, if you keep having this fishy smell for a long time, you may need to see your gynecologist, because I'm not a doctor. I'm just telling you tips that have helped me throughout the years. So when you get through washing your body, your butterfly, next you're going to go to your little bum back here. You're going to go to your bum. And y'all know my holy grail. I always use 2 separate towels. This gray one right here is for me. See if y'all can see. Okay, the gray one right here, I always look at dark towels as if it's for my backside. So this gray one, I'm going to take some of this Irish Spring, and I am going to scrub back there in between the crevices, all up in there. I'm telling you guys, this back here has its own little area. And yes, I got my grandbaby wet, but you wash this and also do the smell test, you guys. If you are not doing the smell test, you are setting yourself up. If you smell yourself and you done washed up 2 to 3 times, just say, Latersa, I did that and I'm still smelling. Go back in there. But I'm telling you, if you got a consistent smell that's over longer than 7 days and it's still smelling, you done washed and scrubbed, you need to go see your gynecologist. You need to go get a professional input now. But wash your backside 2 to 3 times with this Irish Spring. Y'all know I always rave about Irish Spring. This is going to help you guys get fresh and so clean. Once you do that, wash your body one more time with this Dial soap. Y'all know I always talk about Dial. You can't go wrong with Dial. I'm going to wash it one more time just to be on the safe side. And I'm going to use this towel. Just wash my body one more time. just to make sure. I bet she's saying, Mama, Grandma, how much you gonna wash me? But get in between your toes. And what I like to do in between my pedicures is I take this foot pumas or whatever you call this thing right here. I got this, I think, from my local beauty supply store. And I just scrub up under the bottom, scrub up under the bottom. That way you keep your heels soft in between your pedicures and all of that. And when you do this in every other shower, that way you will be able to keep your feet soft and they won't be crusty up beside your legs and stuff. And so when you're done with that, if it's time for you to shave, I don't have no specific shaving cream or nothing like that. Y'all know me. I use either my body wash or my soap, and I shave my legs, and I always go down like this. I go down all over, and then I go up, because sometimes your hair grow in different places. So you're gonna go down, and be gentle, you guys, because if you're trying to go fast, you're gonna cut yourself or do something that you don't want. So you just go down, and then on the back of your legs, you go in between your thighs, because hair get up in there too. And then just go there and go under, and then under your arms, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go under, you're gonna go left, you're gonna go right, you're gonna go up and down, because your hair grows different ways. And if you're like me and you shave your arms, because I don't like hair on my arms either, so I do this every once in a while when they get too out of control. And then for my butterfly, I don't shave, because I don't trust myself down with no razor. So I take Nair, and I'm gonna pop a picture up here. I didn't bring it in here, but I'm gonna take Nair. And we just gonna pretend these are her clean panties that I'm gonna put back on her, because she is my grandbaby doll. But I wanted to give you guys a visual. But you are going to, I lost my train of thought. But anyway, once you get through with all of that, the last and final step is the fun part. And I didn't bring my loofah, but the two body washes that I've been loving lately is this Quiet Roar coconut banana milk scent, and the watermelon and the guave. These are the two that I've been using. And I do this my last final step. And that is when I put it either on here or I put it on my loofah, and I just wash my body one more good time before, because whatever you do, make that body wash your last step. See, that wasn't too bad, was it? Was it? Yeah, Grandmama, you too harsh on me. But that's the last step, you guys, before you get out the shower. All right, and now that you've gotten out the shower, we're going to dry off, damp yourself, wash yourself. You're going to damp while you're still damp. See, she got her little towel on. Ooh, little spa day. Look at her. Look at her. All right, so she's finished. So what I do when I first get out is I use, if I'm just around the house, I use my Native, and I put a little deodorant on, or when I'm out and about, I use Dove Cool Essentials. I'm getting ready to find another one, because y'all know when you use your deodorants for so long, they stop working like they used to, and I'm getting kind of bored with this scent, so I'm gonna try something different. And I was looking up online deodorant for your backside, and I see a lot of people talking about butt deodorant, but this is what I've been using on my behind for years. I take this and I rub a little bit on my hands, and I go right up in the crevice right there, because you want your behind to be fresh too, ladies. So I take a little bit of this and I go right in the crack. You know when you first open your butt cheeks up, I put it right there on both sides. And that keeps me fresh, because what you don't want to do, ladies, is go in the bathroom and use the bathroom and somebody go in behind you and they smelling butt. You don't want to do that. So once I do that, then it's time to moisturize. And this is what I've been using. Y'all know me. I'm not really a lotion type of person, type of gal. So I use my Johnson & Johnson baby gel oil, or just regular old Vaseline, and I mix that with whatever perfume I'm using. This is a dupe for Perfect Marc Jacobs. It's called Flora Rhubarb Dossier. Y'all know I always talk about this. This is a brand new bottle because my one that was half full, baby girl took over. So y'all know how that go. So I mixed this in with my Vaseline and oil. And that helps my scent stay on longer. So once I do that, I put on, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put some on the baby so y'all can see. But yeah, I just rub low. See how she glowing, girl? That's how you want to be glowing, girl. You put it all over. Put it on your little neck and in between your little boobies and all that. And spray you a little bit. My baby gonna be smelling good. Do you hear me? Y'all gonna be smelling good too. And spray a little bit. Girl, you better watch out. What Ken at? The Barbie. What Ken the Barbie doll at? He better watch out because it's a new gal on the scene. But yeah, once I do that, and then just do that, and then put your clothes back on, guys. And I forgot to show you what you do in between, but I'm gonna put her little panties back on because these was washed, so I took them off so y'all can know how to clean your butterfly and your backside and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna put this baby back together, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using lately for my brushing my teeth. So I'm gonna put her down for a minute. Say bye. All right, so I'm gonna put her down for a minute. And what I've been using for my teeth, because I'm trying to whiten my teeth, I've been using this Tjmaxx activated charcoal. I really like this. I don't use it every day. I use it every other day. And then y'all know my holy grail. And just any toothbrush that you got. I think my mom send me like a pack of these, a box of these all the time, because I think my dad gets these from Medicare or something. But anyway, this is my favorite toothpaste and all of that. I didn't bring my floss, but make sure you're brushing twice a day, in the morning and before night. And if you're gonna brush your teeth at night, don't do like I used to do, slip back in there and get me a cookie or a chip or something. When you go to bed at night, I'm telling you, all that stuff can set up decay in your mouth, even though it's just a little bit. I'm telling you. And then see, my really thing is, I love eating ice. But I think I found a way to do it. I put my blender in the freezer, and then that way when I blend my ice cubes up, it be powdery. Because y'all know I'm addicted to ice eating. I know it's not good for your teeth, but I'm not crunching on it no more. I'm just sucking it now. But it's like I have to get my fix. My kids say I look like an addict when I be eating that ice. But I be eating the powdery kind, you guys. Not the ice cubes that crunch and stuff. But anyway, that is what I do to keep my teeth clean. In between, on those days when I'm not having a cycle and my discharge is heavy, I like to use these Kotex thin panty liners. And if I want to freshen up throughout the day, I have these from Summer Eves. These little packages right here. They works wonders. You can go in the bathroom stall, freshen up. When it's that time of the month, I use this brand. I've been using this lately because they have different ones, because my first couple of days are heavy, so I like to use these. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope this visual was kind of helpful for you guys. Remember, we are a no judgment zone here. We're all growing and learning our bodies together. So I wish you nothing but the best. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I'm back on there, you guys. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. Make sure you chat with me on Instagram and in the community tabs, because I love chatting with you guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and become a part of the Sunny Squad if you're not already. And let's spread a little sunshine everywhere we go. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.